Today we're setting up a TikTok ads account. So this is my TikTok account. You can see profile here. So don't mind the video. So we'll come to more, and then come to business suite. I'm assuming you haven't set this up for the first time, like I haven't. Wait for it to load. Right, so we're here. So we want to go to TikTok for business, then get started. It'll ask you to authorize. TikTok for business is fine, it's fine. Continue. This moment I can introduce myself. My name is Zablon. I'm a digital marketer. I help companies sell their products online. So right, quickly I'm gonna go to my website. I'm gonna put that link. My business name is I am in the advertising space. Okay, let's get advertising. Country, my phone number. I'm in Kenya, so I agree to that. I agree to that. So they're gonna send me a message on my phone. Oh, they use WhatsApp. It's very weird. I thought they just sent a text, but they use WhatsApp. That's fine. I verified my phone. I have reviewed it, but yeah, that I accept. I have to stop using my mouse because I know it's really loud. What do I want to do? So my objective is getting leads. So maybe I want people to come to my website, video views, community engagement. This is a hard one. Let's go to sales, web conversions, products. No, I don't want products. Lead generation. This is what I really want. Yeah, I can do a TikTok instant form where I get leads from the site, then I just call them later. Continue. Oh, they want to start a campaign already. No. Then if that's the case, I just want to brand awareness for video views to get. Yeah, it's fine. I don't mind changing this because it's just a test campaign. Branding. Continue. Adding more videos to help optimize performance. Okay. Add creative. So I don't know if it's gonna give me like my list of high performing videos. If it hasn't, I will have to see. Uh-huh. Right, so I don't know which one's my most. Okay, let's go back to TikTok. Not here. Back to TikTok. You see overview. I just want to see which videos are. Uh, where I got videos? I'm looking for videos that have the most most traction. No videos per se. Okay, I go to home. This is upload, messages, comments. No, not there. Let's go back to TikTok. Then to activities, profile, upload. I just want to go to the comment, to the analytics here. Here's what I go. Then I go to posts. Right. So I'm going to pick an older video, see how it's going to perform. Right, so let's go with this one. Zero click search. Nah, so let's get a better one. Yeah. The real reason Instagram isn't working. I can't really search, honestly. Okay. Slowly. Patiently, we will be slow and patient. Journey so far. Oh, here it is. Yep, I want to confirm that. I'm using this on my desktop. That is fine. Do I need a call to action? Call to action is the website, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. So we'll click on continue. Automatic targeting performs better. Okay. No. I want a custom budget. Because I'm just testing this out. I'm going to put something very low. Oh, let's say 100. Oh. No. Custom schedule. This one did for 2 days. End date is when? Tomorrow. So I can confirm. The company scheduled less. So yes. No, that's fine. Just want to do for 2 days to see how it performs. Go. Now we enter. Yes, I am registered as a business, so I need to put my tax ID. Submit. Now I'll give it a few minutes because I think I need to enter my card details. I don't know what this is, so Okay, so that is fine. So debit card. I'm surprised I don't have mobile money payments yet. So this part, I need to add my card details. Oh, brilliant! I love how this does it. So my card's under review. So we'll give it a couple of hours, and I'm sure it'll be fine. Well, with that, this is something new that's just been introduced to the market. It wasn't there before. So I'm just going to give them that. So then, so I'm going to add more campaigns, obviously, to see how all the things will perform. And with that, I will say goodbye and have a lovely day, evening.